everyone. So I'm here today going to use an SDS drill with a concrete chisel on it to see if I can remove some scale on my trailer. This is just a test. I don't have access to air at this point, so I don't have a needle scaler or other tools available. This is the drill I'm going to use, and we'll see how it's going to work. You can see the chisel. Given a quick test run, I expect it'll work just fine, and it's going to be a little bit of effort to descale the inside rails of the trailer where most of the scale is. I'm going to have to come back around and get under the outer inside rails as well, but there isn't much collection of rust there. Anyhow, there's an idea if you want to use it in the future. If you have any thoughts, please comment below, like and subscribe. Thanks everyone.